Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and in this video I want to show you how to earn $10 per day without recruiting referrals. And yes, I only discovered this today, and I thought I'll share it with you. It's you're going to use one website, and the website name is OneAdPack. This is a new website. It's only about 2 months old. And but what's unique about it, it's a revenue sharing website. A revenue sharing website is a traffic exchange with earnings component where they reward the people for watching ads. So you watch 10 ads per day and you get paid every day. So, and what's unique about this website is the ad packs are only $1 each. So, and each ad pack pays back 130% within 30 days. So it's a very quick turnaround. But because of that, you can easily compound your earnings. So I want to show you how to get to $10 quickly. Okay, I'll just show you here. I started a week ago. But only yesterday I bought 10 ad packs, and today another 10 ad packs. So just to show you what my earnings will be per day now. So I've got 31 ad packs, and they earning, each ad pack is 0.0433 cents. So every day I'm earning $1.34. But because I'm earning $1.34, that means tomorrow I can buy another ad pack. So then I'll have 32 ad packs. And that every day I'll be able to buy a new ad pack. And when I get to 230 ad packs, then I'll be earning $10 a day. So I think that is brilliant of this website. And yeah, I want you to check it out. I'll put my referral link below so that you can join my team. They have a paid forward system, so if you contact me and you need help to get started. But yeah, that is, I think if you can get started with, the ideal will be if you get started with, say, 23. If you start with 23 today, tomorrow you'll earn $1. And then that $1 you add to your ad packs, and then the next day you're going to earn $1.04. So you can see how quickly this can compound, and how quickly you can get to 330 ad packs, and that's without referrals. So, and with your ad pack you're also getting 100 clicks per ad pack. So you're getting great advertising as well with your ad pack. So that is my $10 per day plan. I'm going to try and get to 230 ASAP, and then yes, I hope to show you my progress. So yes, if you want to join me, my referral link will be in the description or on the video below. Thank you very much. Bye for now.